Is it possible that your smartphone, that little device you use for everything from ordering groceries to watching cat videos, could also be your personal money transfer hub, even for a traditional bank like Lloyds? We live in an age where convenience is king. We expect to do almost everything from the comfort of our couch or while waiting in line for coffee. Banking is no exception. Gone are the days when a trip to the branch was a daily or weekly ritual for many. Online banking, mobile apps, and ATMs have revolutionized how we interact with our money. But what about those moments when you need to send funds, perhaps urgently, and you're not near a computer, or your internet is playing hide and seek? Can a simple phone call bridge that gap with Lloyds Bank? It's a question many of us have pondered. You might be helping out a family member, splitting a bill with a friend, or even making a last-minute payment. The immediate thought might be to reach for your banking app, but sometimes, for whatever reason, that's just not an option. That's when the phone in your hand starts looking like a promising alternative. So, can you literally just pick up your phone, dial Lloyds, and initiate a money transfer? Let's dive into the specifics of how Lloyds Bank handles phone-based money transfers. The good news is, yes, in many cases, you absolutely can transfer money over the phone with Lloyds. This isn't some secret handshake, it's a legitimate service designed to offer flexibility and accessibility, especially for those who might not be as comfortable with online banking, or perhaps for transactions that require a bit more personal verification. When you call Lloyds Bank, you'll typically be connected to their customer service team. They are equipped to assist you with a range of banking tasks, including setting up payments and transfers. To initiate a transfer, you'll need to provide certain details. This will almost certainly include your account number and sort code, and the details of the recipient's account, their name, account number, and sort code. Security is paramount, and Lloyds, like all reputable banks, takes it very seriously. Don't expect to just blurt out some numbers and have money flying around. You'll go through a rigorous identity verification process. This might involve answering security questions, confirming recent transactions, or even using a one-time passcode, OTP, sent to your registered mobile phone. This multi-layered approach is designed to protect your funds and prevent fraudulent activity. There are, however, a few caveats to keep in mind. While most standard transfers can be facilitated over the phone, there might be limitations on the amount you can transfer in a single call, especially for new payees or unusually large sums. For very high-value transactions, or those involving international transfers to certain regions, you might be advised to use online banking or visit a branch for additional verification or to ensure all necessary documentation is in place. Furthermore, the type of transfer might also play a role. Simple domestic transfers are generally straightforward, while more complex international payments might require more detailed information and potentially different channels. So, the next time you find yourself needing to move money and your online options are limited, remember that your phone can indeed be a powerful tool, connecting you directly to Lloyds Bank services. It's a testament to how traditional banking is evolving to meet modern demands, offering a blend of human assistance and technological convenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.